presenter.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Aziz.
And I'm Shadow Effendi.
We are from
Unica and MyTech.
We will be your course instructor for this welding inspection module.
This model will expose students on the basic welding process.
This module will also expose students to the application of non-destructive testing for the welding inspection.
Welcome to our online courses for welding inspection technology. Our unique program is run by our own competent personnel and certified technician. Equipped with the latest state-of-the-art equipment, make the courses and highly sought for non-destructive field. Our model covers the basic theory of welding and will utilize state-of-the-art welding simulator to ensure students can gain enough confidence prior to conducting the actual welding process. This model will also cover 5 basics of non-destructive methods such as: first, visual inspection; second, red dye penetration inspection; third, magnetic particle inspection; fourth, eddy current inspection; and 5, ultrasonic inspection. Register now to get access to vast teaching material. We are looking forward to serve you. Thank you.